Tapos Select 18 HD mga boss, usap ay 62 yan, pares yan. Yan nasa baba, 62,000 pares. Select 15D na active, taas ay 28.3.
You are watching
Speaker full na SP1 na Kibler, yung yan, pinagtukuhan ng mid-high 1.1 ang pares yan. $62,000 ang pares nito mga sir. Ito 28.3.
Love so dangerously. You're not trusting you.
Mix 16 BT L11.6. Ewan.
I'm ready to go for a chance.
1.5.
Afraid of what you feel. You still need to let me try. You know I'm not. Yes, I need you so I'm ready to go. To the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you. Through the fire. For a chance to love you.
Sir, mabilisan na to. Una price yan, lalagay ko na lang sa video. Select 15D. Yan po. Yung sub, ito naman ang price yan. Yan, pare, Select pa rin yan. Ang model na sub, Select 18 HD. Po Aho yung box. So ito naman yung sa mid-high Select 15D, Bluetooth at USB. Ito pa ginamit na mixer, Mix 16BD. Yan ang price. Sabi natin, live ang EQ 5,000 po ito. Ito 6.8 UM 500S na wireless. Ito 1.5. Itong 8 RO ay 9.5 no mga boss. Okay.
Mic 1, mic check.
Mabilisan lang to pang
Mic
rails.
test, mic 1.
Dito yan sa Idlem Electronic Center sa may Ronquillo Street, Quiapo, Manila. Okay.
Mic 1, mic test. Mic check, hello, hello.
1,100 pares yan.
Mic test.
Ito 28.3. Select 15D. Okay,
Mic test, mic 1. Mic check, test, hello. Rechargeable po ito. Ito yung battery niya, pwede mo charge dito. Check, hello. Baglang Marcos. Okay. Check 2. Mic 2. Hello.